Hello and welcome to the Crypto Wealth Portfolio Strategic Alliance Wealth Accumulation Overview. We have our President's live webinar schedule with Q&A Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Time, 3 p.m. Eastern, and 4 p.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. Eastern. The link to be able to view our webinars is www.cwplivewebinar.com. Our mission statement: our success in life is measured in direct proportion to the amount of people we help and to the amount of people we help become successful. Our Financial Group Alliance consists of Quick Bitcoin Accumulator and USA Group Systems. Our Humanitarian Group Alliance consists of two 501c3 nonprofit corporations. The first one, You're Not Alone, helping families who've lost a loved one to suicide. This is a very good friend of mine's nonprofit, and recently he lost his 19-year-old son. The second is Heaven Sent Gina's Purse Foundation. This foundation was established by my wife. It's a tribute to one of our 7 children, Gina, and this is to help underprivileged children, battered and abused women, and the homeless. So, folks, we are on a mighty philanthropic humanitarian mission to not only help those that need help, those that can't help themselves, and those that need specialized help when certain crises in their life present themselves. But we also have a platform here that's going to allow us at the same time to have the ability to earn money, and in some cases, a considerable amount of money. Now, our Strategic Cryptocurrency Wealth Accumulation Alliance will provide you with access to 12 Bitcoin accumulation sales platforms that pays Bitcoin daily. Inner Circle access to new emerging hypergrowth wealth accumulation cryptocurrencies, access to comprehensive crypto wealth accumulation education, training, and unique asset leveraging strategies, and access to world-class credit repair and unique specialized financial services that will empower you to be able to take back control of your financial life. Ladies and gentlemen, this world-class credit repair is so needed. There are nearly 100 million people in the United States that have negative or bad credit. This is a game changer. Now, Crypto Wealth Portfolio is the founding member of a consortium group of asset leveraging companies and cryptocurrency experts who identify, investigate, and recommend emerging hypergrowth cryptocurrencies. Since 2016, our team of cryptocurrency experts have identified 14 of 14 winners. The lowest winning gain has been 1,024% in less than 12 months. So a $100 purchase of this particular crypto coin, when it was recommended, would have generated a $1,024 profit for you. And if you were in a position to responsibly have purchased $1,000 of this particular crypto coin, it would have generated you a $10,240 profit. Now, the highest winning gain has been 22,900% in less than 12 months. So a $100 purchase of this crypto coin would have generated you a $22,900 profit, and a $1,000 purchase of this crypto coin would have generated a significant increase to your net worth of $229,000. So as a business builder with our Strategic Alliance partners, you will receive complimentary hypergrowth crypto coin purchase recommendations from our team of experts every 1 to 2 months. This is totally optional if you want to purchase them, but I want to point out that the past crypto performance gains that we've talked about may not be indicative of future performance gains. But let me tell you why we feel that when these expert recommendations get sent out to our members, and we're recommending that when you purchase a minimum of 100, maximum of 1,000, folks, this is what we call an asymmetric wealth leveraging strategy. This strategy is designed to keep emotion not involved. It's a 12-month buy and hold strategy. Now, we just came off from what experts were calling the first crypto boom, where Bitcoin went from $800 at the beginning of 2017 to over $19,000 by the end of the year. Now, going into 2018, we had a major market correction. Anytime you have a bull run upward in the stock market or in the cryptocurrency space, the peaks, you're always going to have the valleys or the market corrections. That's why it's important that you're not going beyond your means here. You're being responsible. Minimum of $100 for the coins that we recommend, maximum of $1,000. Now, experts are saying that we are on the brink of the second crypto boom. There's a company out there called Goldman Sachs who has been secretively working on a platform, a trading platform for cryptocurrencies that will meet all of the regulatory requirements by our regulatory agencies. Up until this point, it's been the wild, wild west. But ladies and gentlemen, when that platform is released, and we're told it could be any time now, that is going to open up the floodgates to institutional investors. We're talking about pension funds, hedge fund money, Wall Street money flooding into this market. Experts are saying that they are expecting as much as $5 trillion to get flooded into the cryptocurrency space here over the next 6 to 12 months. So folks, even if they're only half correct and 50% of that occurs, by having access to these cryptocurrency recommendations from our team of experts who fly all over the world, they meet with owners of companies, they look at their technology, they look at the source code within the coin itself, and they look at one of the most important elements, usage. Does this particular crypto coin have unlimited usage potential? And what is the dilution factor? In other words, how many of those crypto coins are they going to put in circulation? So all of these things are critical, but I can tell you that the experts that we've surrounded ourselves with, ladies and gentlemen, these experts have an uncanny ability to be able to pick winning horses, to be able to pick winners. Now, with this second boom about to happen, experts are saying that the value, the market cap is going to go straight upward, and if you are privileged to be able to get inside information of these experts' picks, you are strategically poisoning yourself to be able to capitalize on the potential of monumental increases in your net worth, okay? So we provide assistance, education, consulting, and training in all wealth accumulation areas, including the hottest new crypto coin recommendations to ensure your success in acquiring both knowledge and a diverse portfolio of hyper-growth cryptocurrencies that can significantly increase your net worth. Folks, in this first crypto boom, there were people that purchased $300 of recommended cryptos. They probably bought them for fractions of a penny or for pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, whatever it was, where a little bit of money, $300 worth, gets you a whole bunch of these crypto coins. And when the market did its first boom, its first surge, they realized 5- and 6-figure gains in a very short amount of time. So that's what we're doing here with Crypto Wealth Portfolio. We want to empower you with the ability to take these expert picks, make that purchase of $100 up to $1,000 responsibly so it doesn't cause any financial challenges, and then sit back for 12 months and let this second boom work its magic. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about in regards to our compensation platform is our Bitcoin accumulation platform. This is called our Global Bitcoin Pay Chain. Now, this will allow a person to turn a $25 cryptocurrency 101 training and wealth leveraging package purchase into potentially hundreds or thousands of dollars in Bitcoin profit sharing earnings. And this is how it works. All cryptocurrency 101 training package sales get placed into the oldest pay chain one and your global pay chain. Now, that's based on pay chain one's time and date stamp. So it's going to start with the first time and date stamp pay chain, and ultimately, when your pay chain becomes the current one, what's going to happen is that every single sale globally of our cryptocurrency 101 training and wealth leveraging package will actually come into this profit sharing model after you, and will empower you or put you in a position to be able to earn profit sharing earnings. So when the first 2 global sales get placed onto your pay chain 1, you get paid $25. When the next 4 global sales get placed onto your pay chain 1, your pay chain 2 gets opened, and you'll receive a second training package. And then when the first 2 global sales get placed onto your pay chain 2, you'll get paid $50. Now, this process will continue to repeat itself. So you have an opportunity to earn profit sharing on up to 12 of our pay chains here. Now, it's just $75 to get started. That includes $25 for your cryptocurrency 101 training package purchase and your first month credit repair. Ladies and gentlemen, again, if you're one of the nearly 100 million people in the United States with negative or bad credit, we will do your first round of challenges, all negative items on all three of your credit bureaus. We have a 30 to 50% success rate within 45 days. So this is going to be the start of you being able to take back control of your financial life. Now, you're also going to receive placement in the Global Profit Sharing Pay Chain 1, and there's a one-time $25 enrollment fee that is included in the $75, and your first month payment of the $25 monthly system admin fee. Now, folks, I want to point out that that monthly system admin fee is paid from profits only. In other words, if you're not making money with our program, I, as the founder of this company, refuse to take one additional penny of someone's hard-earned money here. Sadly, too much of that's been happening in the space, and quite frankly, it's appalling. 80% of the people that get involved in an online business, they get sucked into the vacuum of all the hype and all this potential earning and all this excitement. 80% of the people end up not making any money, or most of them not making any money, and basically giving up their hard-earned money here for a dream that never comes to fruition. But we also realize that people are predispositioned to be lazy. So with that being said, we know that if we have a model that allows them to come in and potentially receive some profit sharing, that's going to be a game changer. That'll be a catalyst for changing the dynamics here. You're also going to receive 2 complimentary hypergrowth crypto coin purchase recommendations by our cryptocurrency experts. So I want you to think about this for a second. Somebody that you introduced to this program got started, they paid the $75, and all of a sudden they get a notification that they just received $25, but they were only eligible to net half of that, or $12.50. They just received $50, and they were only eligible for $25. They just received $100. They were only eligible for $50. Folks, it's not going to take them very long to figure out that what do I have to do to get the full amount that I'm being notified on? Well, it's simple, okay? They can simply go out and sell 2 of our $75 or higher packages, and they will receive 100% of the profit-sharing earnings from this point forward. So we also built another mechanism in here that is unheard of. Every member who sells 2 training and wealth leveraging packages in any calendar month will receive 1 equal share of the total monthly Bitcoin profits that are not paid to those who do not sell our packages. So the people here, let's say this month there was $10,000 that we paid out to those that did absolutely nothing to help build and grow our company. All right? That means there's another 50% or another $10,000 that wasn't paid out. Well, most of my predecessors have a greed-driven and self-serving agenda, and they would take that 50%, that other 50% that wasn't paid out in the form of breakage and be laughing all the way to the bank. Well, not on my watch. Ladies and gentlemen, this program is designed, it's all about helping you, helping other people, putting other people's needs first. When the Lord gave me this vision, I built it. I give him all the glory, all the credit here. I put this together because too many people are getting hurt out in this space, and we want to make a difference. We want to change the dynamics in this incredible industry. So think about this for a second. You know, somebody got started for $75, got the Crypto 101 Training and Wealth Leveraging package, which gives them, you know, a video on, you know, what is this new emerging asset class? What is cryptocurrencies? What is blockchain? You know, what is Bitcoin? You know, how does blockchain work? It answers all their questions, and they're getting the next 2 hypergrowth crypto picks from our experts, and they're getting their first month all negative challenges on their credit report. Huge value, okay? This program is designed that if we manage expectations going in and we let them know that, hey, you should really be serious about, setting aside at least $100, 30 to 60 days from when you join to purchase that next crypto recommendation from our team of experts, and then doing the same thing again 30 to 60 days after that, and having a couple of these hyper-growth recommendations from our experts in your crypto wealth portfolio. Because this next year, we don't know what's going to happen, but logic would tell us that there is the potential for huge, huge gains on some of these crypto recommendations that we're getting from these experts. Now, we also have 6 business builder options. So that's giving you the ability, this first option, to have simultaneous participation in 2 Bitcoin accumulation platforms. Now here, it's $100 to get started. That includes a second training and wealth leveraging package, okay? Not only do you get the first Bitcoin accumulation platform or passive participation in our global Bitcoin pay chain, but you also, if you're intending to build this business, you're going to get access to what we call our perpetual profit center. And the way this has been set up here, as you're making sales, you're getting paid in real time. So as $25 from this package purchase of $100 is allocated to this package, every time you sell a $100 Business Builder Option 1 package, is paying a $12.50 commission. Now, you can pick up commissions if you have your upline sponsor who is building the team, making the sales. You can pick up sales here in your profit center if you actually sold 1 or 2 and they went out and sold 1 or 2. Once you had 6 sales in aggregate on your profit center 1, then it's going to close that profit center and it will open up a second and new profit center for you to start all over again, okay? Now, what's really powerful about this is that we have a true follow your sponsor system, so that let's say you sponsor somebody who purchased the $100 Business Builder 1 option and they actually completed all 6 of their sales. They would follow you as a re-entry onto your new Profit Center 1. And as they're re-entering, the company is allocated $12.50 of Bitcoin profit sharing to you on each entry, and that is paid in real time. Now, as you continue making sales, reaching out to family members, friends, loved ones, business colleagues, etc., and sharing with them the opportunity for them to be able to get strategically poised and out ahead of this second crypto boom, where those crypto recommendations could potentially mean life-changing events for them, well, you're going to be picking up $12.50 from each of those sales. So what we created here is a perpetual profit center. And what drives this is sales. Sales that pay retail commissions, sales that pay profit sharing, and sales that pay overrides. Okay, so you can earn $75 in Bitcoin over and over from personal sales, team sales, and team re-entries. You're also going to receive an additional 1 month, 2 months in total of world-class credit repair. So now it's the first and second rounds of all negative items challenge. So now we are progressively removing more and more of your negative items and ultimately empowering you with the ability to take back control of your financial life. Folks, it all starts with your credit. Now, we have our Business Builder Package benefits. We've already talked about them with the first option. But here, with our Business Builder 1 option, you're going to receive not 2, but 3 complimentary hypergrowth crypto coin purchase recommendations by our team of cryptocurrency experts. Now, we have 6 fast start options right now. Eventually, we will have 12. Right now, you can purchase up to 6 of our training and wealth leveraging packages to become eligible to get paid on up to 6 Bitcoin profit centers simultaneously. Ladies and gentlemen, we just addressed the most important element of a business model, and that is that we had to have something that will take care of the masses, the average person that typically loses on projects and programs like this. So we believe we've done that. And when you've got a model that sustains the masses, then you've got a model that will make certain that the leaders who need to make a lot of money and make a lot of money fast that income can be sustained and can grow. So we believe we put together the perfect storm. So we talked about option one. Now I'm going to share with you the next four options. So let's say, for example, that you were in a position to join at $250. And when I say join, that means you've decided to purchase 3 wealth leveraging and training packages. When you purchase those 3 packages, the first 3 of your profit centers will get opened up. Now, let's say, for example, you refer somebody who purchases and can responsibly make an $850 purchase and purchase 5 of our training and wealth leveraging packages, okay? Well, you're going to receive a $400 fast start commission. It doesn't matter where you're able to start. Even if you're only able to start at $100, it's important that you are responsible in what you're doing. We don't want anybody juggling a house payment, a car payment, bills. We want you to be responsible. Folks, you can work your way through and earn enough money to purchase the subsequent training and wealth leveraging packages and more months of our credit repair services the way this system is set up. But if you are in a position to be able to purchase all 5 of our training and wealth leveraging packages, then you'll pick up a $400 fast start commission. Now, so you're here at the $250 package level. You sponsor somebody at $850. Well, if that person sponsors somebody at $850, he will get the $400 or she. And then 33% of the time, 1 in 3 sales, the way this system is set up, because you've got profit centers 1, 2, and 3 open, when that sale gets made from somebody you've sponsored when they made a sale, then you're going to get $50 plus $25 plus $12.50. You're going to get $87.50 override from that sale. Now, if you had been able to work your way up to all 5 of the training and wealth leveraging packages, or if you were able to responsibly purchase all 5 of the training and wealth leveraging packages, and you had all 5 profit centers open, then on that particular scenario, you would have earned a $200 plus $100 plus the $50, $25, and $12.50. You would have earned $387.50 override from that sale that came from somebody that you sponsored, that you made a package sale to. So with that being said, that's $400 for a fast start. That's $387.50 as an override. That's a $787.50 payout from $850 collected. That's over 90% payout 33% of the time with this model. And then the other 66% of the time, it is a 66% payout. So we're not hiding behind any hidden breakage components and, doing sadly what most of my predecessors have done. And that is, build these fancy business models with all the bells and whistles, and they promise all this and pay up to this, and they all have all those gotchas, those little breakage things in there. So what they want to do is they want to be able to make you think you can earn a whole bunch, pay you as little as they can get away with paying, and take as much as they can possibly take. And that's not what this is about, ladies and gentlemen. This is about putting other people's needs before our own. This is about, recognizing that if we put other people's needs first and they're blessed, we are blessed beyond imagination, both spiritually and emotionally, and of course that financial part, financially, that's most important right now to help push so many people through life. There's nearly 75 million people in the United States that are just making ends meet or just barely getting by or struggling financially. We have a model that we believe is going to empower them to be able to get ahead with their lives. Now, as you're working your way through the system and you're accumulating commissions and able to buy additional training and wealth leveraging packages, you're going to get bonuses of additional crypto picks from our team of experts, complimentary. Plus, as you're buying these packages, they're also going to include additional months of credit repair. So you're going to be in a position to take back control of your financial life. We have a 90% success rate in our credit repair. And so with that being said, that puts you in a position to take advantage of the specialized and unique financial services that we offer. Now, this is a partner. It's another company of mine that we've had for a few years now. that specializes in methods and strategies to be able to help leverage a person out of debt. Now, we have a sixth package. That sixth package is $1,650. It pays an $800 fast start. Ladies and gentlemen, we pay a true 50% of the package's purchase as a retail sales fast start commission. Okay? So in this option 6 for $1,650, you're going to receive 12 months of credit repair for any 3 individuals. So it could be a husband and wife. You could have a relative or a friend that needs to take back control of their financial life. You're going to have the ability to bless 2 other people, inclusive of yourself, with this package. Again, we don't want you purchasing any of these packages unless you're able to responsibly do so without it creating a financial hardship or a domestic issue. I also want to point out that we will not release additional higher price trading and wealth leveraging packages, okay, until the value of the packages being released exceeds the purchase price. In other words, the value of our packages will not be arbitrarily. It won't be us just saying, okay, this is what we think it's worth. These packages can be independently verified for its true retail market value that's already established online by third-party precedents. So if a regulatory agency agent came to our website, clicked on any one of our packages, they will be able to take all of the items, all of what's in there, the training and wealth leveraging strategies, the video series, the credit repair, etc., go online and see all the other people unrelated to us, what they're selling credit repair for, what they're selling their educational crypto information for, what they're selling their asset leveraging strategies for, etc. And they will be able to see value that supersedes the price that we're charging. What that does, folks, is that keeps us out from being classified as a money game, as a Ponzi scheme, as a pyramid scheme, and all those things that are so commonly associated to those self-serving and greed-driven business owners that have one thing on their mind, and that's how much can I take and how little can I give, and it doesn't matter who gets hurt in the process. Well, that buck stops with me. And again, when the Lord put this on my heart, this is what we're doing now. We're taking this out and truly, genuinely delivering something different. In addition, every member will also receive a retail-only website to be able to market companies' commissionable training and wealth leveraging package products, services, credit repair, etc. Now, during our elite leader acquisition phases, which is where we are at currently right now as we're rolling out this business model, the 50% fast start Bitcoin commissions are paid each week on Friday for all personally originated package sales made from Thursday the prior week through Wednesday the current week. Now, all remaining accumulated level 2 override commissions, re-entry profit sharing earnings, and global pay chain profit sharing earnings will be paid upon commencement of our pre-launch June the 11th, 2018. Now, upon our pre-launch, our earnings will be paid daily and in real time. So as a sale is being made, you're getting paid a retail commission or an override from a retail commissionable sale or profit sharing that we've allocated for that retail sale. That will be paid to you in your e-wallet instantly, and then you can actually go in and request your payout in Bitcoin, because we pay in Bitcoin and we're paying out in Bitcoin. You can request your payout. We're doing our payouts in Bitcoins when we get to pre-launch and moving thereafter. We're paying out Bitcoin 4 times per day, 9 in the morning, noon, 3 in the afternoon, and 6 p.m. in the evening, Pacific time, Monday through Friday. Folks, what you want to do is you want to accumulate and hold as much Bitcoin as you can get your hands on, because experts are saying that Bitcoin is going to surge to $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 by the end of this year. And they're saying it's going to go way beyond that, with years to come. So we want you to be able to acquire and hold Bitcoin, and that's why this platform is designed to leverage yourself with an appreciating asset, your Bitcoins. We've addressed the altcoin market and being able to navigate the complexity of 95+% of all of the ICOs, initial coin offerings, and of all the new crypto coins that are being introduced. They're scams. They're ripoffs. They're selling great ideas. They're taking your hard-earned money. They're assessing all of the market valuation, market cap out front on those ICOs. And folks, 95% of them aren't going to be here, months or a year or years, a few years down the road. So you want to be able to, navigate the minefield, and you want to get those expert recommendations. So altcoin recommendations, you're going to build your crypto wealth portfolio with us, and then acquiring and holding your Bitcoin. I can't emphasize the importance of that. Now, this is what your website will look if you decide that you want to join our elite marketing team. I'm going to go ahead and share with you a live version of the website, okay? So person will go here. They're compelled to watch this video. This video is designed to compel them to register for free, and we're giving out a free crypto coin recommendation from our team of experts just for joining. No purchase requirement, no strings attached, okay? So they'll watch the video. They'll scroll down here to the pre-registration. That video will call them multiple times to action with an arrow pointing down to pre-register. They're going to want to get pre-registered because in addition to receiving the free altcoin, the cryptocurrency coin recommendation, they're also going to get a free subscription to our monthly Crypto Pulse newsletter, which is going to keep all of our members in the know about all of the exciting things that are happening in this fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. So they watch the video. They come down here with no purchase requirement, no strings attached, no obligation. They click pre-register. Then they fill all their information down here, hit submit, and then what happens is that they'll get an email. They'll confirm an email. Now we have a permission-based person to be able to send our emails to, and we'll continue to send emails ushering them in to our live and pre-recorded webinars. And folks, we believe that we are going to have a very high and above average conversion ratio. One, because of our low barrier of entry. Our global friendly price point is $75 or $100 if you want to be a business builder. And for all of the incredible value that we're putting out here, not to mention a very, very exciting industry. If you're interested in moving forward, we want you to get back to the person who gave you this webinar link to get your questions answered and to request your sponsor's join link so you can become a member of our elite team of professionals today. Now, we have this live President's webinar call. The schedule is Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific time. That's 3 p.m. Eastern and 4 p.m. Pacific time, which is 7 p.m. Eastern time. This is a live Q&A call, so you definitely want to encourage you to plug in, come back and take a second look and be able to get your questions answered directly.